Hi guys, do you want to know why I teach accounting and not English? Because believe it or not, accounting is very simple and straightforward and English is not. It's not straightforward, it's very complicated. Let me give an example. Let me explain what I mean. So let's look at accounting, for example. We all know debit will always be on the left and credit will always be on the right. That will never change. And then let's go further. Drawings, assets, and expenses will always increase on the debit and decrease on the credit. That will never change. I'm not talking about negative assets, just assets. Increase on the debit and decrease on the credit. That will never change. Then income, liabilities, and capital will increase on the credit and decrease on the debit. That will never change. Whatever level of accounting, whatever place you are, if you know that, you know accounting. It's simple. You have understood it. Now let's go to English. What is the basic starting point for English? It's the alphabet. Do you know in the alphabet itself, there are some letters that have no purpose. Let's compare Z or Z and X. Zebra is Z. Xylitol is X. Xavier is X. But you pronounce it the same way. So one of the two letters shouldn't be in the alphabet because there is no purpose for it. Okay, let's talk about O and E. See now in O and E, put L and V in between O and E. And the word is love. Love, love. Now, change that L and put an M. The word, shouldn't it be mauve as well? Why is it move? If it's love, let it be mauve. If it's move, let it be louvre. Why the difference? How do I teach the learners? Okay, let's leave love. Let's talk about the most complicated letter in the alphabet, which is a G. G does absolutely whatever it wants. It can decide to give a G sound like George. It can decide to give a G sound like give. And I don't know when to tell the learners how do they decide. And then if you add so now there is a letter in the alphabet that is set a sound for the F sound, which is F. But a G, if you add an H to it, it can decide to make the F sound. Like if you say T-O-U-G-H, that's tough. Why? Then what is the purpose of an F? Now, and listen now to this. If you add an H to that tough and make it T-H-O-U-G-H, then the G decides it doesn't want to play anymore. It's silent. It becomes though. Why is it not thof? Why is it though? What happened to the G? What happened to the GH? I don't understand that. I really don't. And then lastly, there is words also that are supposed to be in the same family, but they mean the opposite. If you look at terrible, it's a good thing. But terrific is a negative thing. Why? Look at awesome is a wonderful thing. But look at awful is opposite. Why? I will never teach English. Trust me, English, no. I'm out. English, ask me to teach English. No, I'm out, guys. Nope.